I've just sold my house. I'm so excited. 39 Stuart Street, Blakehurst, one of the best houses in Blakehurst. And I had a great result, a great turnout because of the wonderful team around me. Aaron and all the people, Alana and the McGrath team. Thank you so much. And I'm so happy for the new owners, and they're going to love this house and love this area. And thank you very much.
Opening bidder offer buyers, who likes it? Where would you like to get it underway? In your hands, you've come here to own it today. Stamp your authority on our day's proceedings. 1,600,000, I'll work with you there, sir, and good luck. 1,700,000. 1.8. 5, no trouble. 1,805. 30. 50, good on you, man. 1,850. 85. Good on you, sir. 1,900,000. And 2. Anyone out in the Blakehurst marketplace that is selling or thinking of selling, if you haven't called Aaron, you need to ask yourself why. Welcome to Blakehurst. Congratulations.